I set out to pursue this master's program because I wanted to reshape the way we communicate, think, and talk about labor so that we can reach the masses and address some of the most critical problems of our times.
For me to affect substantive change within my work environment for workers, I must be armed with the necessary tools to do so. This is why earning my bachelor's degree is so important to me.
For me, building worker power and community solidarity is one of the most urgent tasks ahead. I am energized by the work of the CUNY SLU community, the students, the professors, and the staff.
With my degree in hand, I'd like to move up in the ranks of my union, representing members in hearings and eventually working with other unions and grassroots organizations in the hopes of raising awareness of the labor struggle.
I find joy in organizing my community, advocating for my neighbors, and providing educational forums on the issues that plague marginalized communities.
I believe that a strong labor movement is a diverse and inclusive one. As a recipient of this scholarship, I'm committed to creating labor spaces that reflect the true diversity of working people, so many of whom share my identities.
I want us all to live, not just survive, but to thrive. For all of us to have a dignified workplace where we have sick days, vacation days, free quality health care, a livable wage, and where we feel valued and respected every single day.